When it comes to the sink, all you're gonna have to do to set this up once you get to where you're going is pop that in there and then pop this pressurizer in here. When you put that in, go ahead and tighten that down so it can build pressure. I also have the shower hookup here that will turn it into a shower, or you can have a spray nozzle for cleaning off anything that you need to clean off, especially those that get in sand or get in mud. You have the ability to clean off your stuff as well. Let God revive your life through the outdoors, and remember, you too can make an impact right where you're at. Subscribe for more.